Hello YouTube, I just got my Ajax customs in, and this is probably more mostly for austerity's sake, but here it goes. You can take it right on the packing tape anyway, that's good. Take care about this stuff. Make sure it gets to the people. Wow!
There, slide the gas down maybe along the right edge in the box.
Keeping that. The box is a little bit bunged up, but I don't care. Alright, there we go. Need the other end.
That's all I need, son.
Now these are really nice patches. This is one of the best patches I've ever gotten. 2 of them. Thank you, Smalls, for packing those. Alright, that's the FPS. Everybody should know now. Putting it out there. Warranty card information from KWA. I don't know. KWA warranty, I think, it does not apply because the gearbox has been opened. Standard KWA main cap. I'm going to do my mods to this before I start using it. Extra flash hider. This is a Surefire. These are not cheap. Thank you for including this. Stupid wires. People should really start using D.M.R plugs. Certificate of authenticity from Ajax Customs. And definitely not least, wow, this thing's nice. The KWA base battle rifle customized by Ajax Customs with the best trades of all time. Alright, well, I'm going to have an after-action report after I destroy some people at Hot Shots, and it'll be on YouTube as well. I'll see the peoples later. Goodbye.